Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create consistent characters in Ideogram. So first head over to Ideogram and log in. Now head over to the left sidebar and click on Characters. So here click on Create Character. I'm going to upload my character here from my desktop. Click on Browse. I'm going to show this woman and click on Create. So let's enter a character name, Chinese woman. For example, click on Create. So let's use this character. And now I'm going to get back to here, Characters, and click on Start from Template. So we're going to select the template here to create our character with. So each template, for example, this casting magic template, provides you with a default prompt, so this is our prompt, and make it seen from a fairy tale with our character just provided here. And click on this to create your consistent character, so our character will be created in different environments. Just to suit this template and our selected style, you have very many templates to choose from, so as you see, our character is in different formation and in different styles. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and just leave a comment.